doctor visit. Tell me, doctor, am I really sick? He said I'm showing characteristics of being a snobby bitch. Yeah, I'm a poppin'.
Okay, wait. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my room. In a few of my videos, I've seen people comment on my room saying like, oh, like your room background is pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my whole room instead of just the one side of my room you see in my videos. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the main event first, which is my bed. Black and white stripes. Some pillows my mom bought from her 21 like 3 years ago. These lights right here, which are Christmas lights. I have all these little books on my bed. Beside my bed, I have this painting right here that we got. I also have a board that you're supposed to put like pictures on and put pins in and stuff like that, but I don't have anything on it because I just like the way it is. I have a plant up there, a mirror over there, ignore my 1800 bottle. And then I have this lamp right here, a nightstand with this quote that my mom got from me and my sister. So it's just like a motivational thing that says like nice stuff that you can read in the morning. I also have like my hair affinity pills, a candle which no longer has a wick because I burned it out. I have a waxing kit that I use when I like wax my eyebrows and stuff like that. Down here is where I keep my boxes from like wigs and bundles that people send me. Someone sends me like hair or anything like that and I'm supposed to do a review on it or do a video on it, then I just go ahead and set them down there until I get the video done. So over here I have 2 speakers. One of them was my sister's, now it's mine. This dresser that I broke right here, but we're gonna ignore that. I have the Rebel T3i and then the Rebel Extra Small. And then I have all my books right here. Yes, I have read these books. These are not for show. I actually read. I have another candle that no longer has a wick because I burned all my candles down in like a week. All my smelly goods, which is the pink lotion, Bath and Body Works lotion, Chanel perfume, Rihanna perfume, all that stuff like that, deodorant. I have a tree over here. Then I also have a TV that I barely use. I have a calendar right here that I'm supposed to like write stuff on, but I don't really write anything on it. Beanbag chair with my book bag in it. And the beanbag chair really, I don't use it. It's just here because it looks good with the rest of the room. So yeah. Coming over to my desk area, I have my 2 studio lights right here, which I use for videos, obviously. I have my ring light right here. I have my ring light right here, which is pretty small. I'm probably going to get a new one soon, like a bigger one. Tripod, my laptop. I have this little book right here. I actually have a few books. I have this, and I have a notepad. I have sticky notes, and then this book right here. I have my mirror. I have my little dish that has all my concealer and stuff like that in it. Lashes. Keep my glasses over here, you know. I have this, which is for my large brushes. So this is my big brush holder right here on top of this little shelf. It's supposed to be a shelf on the wall, but I just put it in my windowsill because it looks good right there. Along with this little quote that says live simply, laugh often, and love much, that I like. I have my Chanel box with 2 candles right there just because that looks nice. Like a little fluffle of flowers over here. I also have makeup back here, which is like lipstick, lip gloss, mascara, and like miscellaneous things that I really don't use that often. On the bottom part right here is where I keep all of my makeup palettes. So all my makeup palettes go like all the way to the back of this thingy because I have a lot of makeup palettes. On the bottom I just keep like random hair supplies and like hair bleach and stuff like that. So under here is where I just keep a lot of my shoe boxes and then more makeup in a makeup case down there. Moving on to the closet, I have this plant right here. Obviously I like plants. As you can see, this is like the 4th plant you've seen in my room. I have a double door closet right here, and then I have this same quote that I have over here, just because there's 2 of them and it looks good up there. Another plant in my closet. Why is it in my closet? You tell me. Wig head up here. I keep more shoe boxes up here, and then all of my like heels and stuff like that are on this top shelf. All of my like boots, like Uggs, are in this middle shelf, and then like tennis shoes and then casual shoes are all at the bottom. I keep my clothes to one side because I want to see like my shoes in here. This pink robe. That is the end of this room tour. So that is the end of my room tour, you guys. This was like a really short video because I mean my room isn't that big. There isn't that much to show. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, please make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Bye.